What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and in today's video we will be getting into an embroidery design, and the design will be the Jordan logo. So it will be the Jumpman picture plus the Jordan spelled out in the words at the bottom. So we're going to be getting into that today. It's not a long stitch out. It says it's only 11 minutes, and most of it is satin stitch, and we know that satin stitch doesn't even take that long. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So once again, like I said on my last video, I'm not trying to sell none of this. I'm not promoting. I am just simply trying to see how the machines can match up to one of the big industrial machines. So and also just doing it for fun, to be honest. So just seeing what I can stitch out. That's why I think that's one great thing about embroidery or doing embroidery. It's basically trying to break new barriers to see what is your machine capable of doing. So that's the reason why I'm doing this right now. So definitely stay tuned, guys, and continue watching. If you like it, thumbs it up. If you don't, then hey, still love you. Appreciate it, though. So I can't remember if I actually added some pull comp to this, but I don't know if you can see this. Well, I'll let that part stick out real fast. But right here, if you can see it, like the shoestring, I guess the shoestring part. I thought it wasn't gonna show, but it actually showed kind of well, so showed kind of great. So that's a plus, I guess. Now it's stitching out the fingers. We'll see how that come out, because they are real small stitches. So I don't think it came out too great, but can't really see it right now. But don't think it came out too great. But hey, like I said, everything is trial and error. Like I said, I'm just trying to see how it looks. So. Not bad. All right, so now we are jumping over to the words. I am going to stop it here. Once again, if you've seen my other videos, yeah, this is my pet peeve. I could wait until the end, especially by being all one color, but I am going to cut it because I don't like jump stitches. So all right, go ahead. This is really not going to be a long video. It's almost done now, but like I said, I just want to stitch out some of the famous logos and companies that's out here. I might get into bigger companies. Not saying these companies aren't big, but And we are almost done. Just about to add the last touches and go into the next letter. We will be done with this design. Like I said, it wasn't a long video. Which one should I do next? Put it in the comment below. I also have the Champions logo, Reebok's logo still left. What are some other logos? I think I also have the Nike logo as well. So just let me know in the comments below if you want to see a specific stitch out on anything. And I can go ahead and have that video up next. So definitely stay tuned to the channel, guys. I appreciate all of you guys' support and girls' support. And if you've gotten this far and you're still watching, please do me a huge favor and go ahead and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel, and please go ahead and thumbs up the video. It would be greatly appreciated. All right. It is done. Let me go ahead and zoom out and I'll be right back. All right, so let me go ahead and lift up the pressure foot and show you guys the finished result. All right, let me know what you guys think. Did I get it? Close? No? Delete? What you think? Let me know, guys, in the comment section below. I'm just trying to cut a couple of these little jump stitches I see. Okay, they don't want me to cut it, so I won't. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. How did it come out? And just my honest opinion, I think it's perfect. I mean, that's just me. But yeah, guys, definitely stay tuned to the channel. It's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And until next time, as always, stay great, stay blessed, and always continue to strive for greatness. I'm out. Peace.